Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Meet. First of all, go to your browser. Then in the search bar, type meet.google.com. Here, you can create a new meeting, or if you have a code or link, you can put in this and join in a meeting. We will try create a new meeting and start an instant meeting. Here, your meeting is ready now. You can mute or unmute, turn on or off camera, turn on caption, present your slideshow. In the more option, you can turn on whiteboard, change layout, full screen, apply visual effect, turn on caption, report a problem, report above, troubleshoot and setting. In the left side, you can add others to the meeting, or you can copy the link and share the link. Here in the right side is showing that you are talking, and in the I button you can see the meeting details and you can still copy it. Who is joining in your meeting is shown here, and you can chat with everyone you want. And the activities, that whiteboard, you can see in here. And here the host control, that they can say who can share your screen, who can chat message, turn on their video, etc. So here is the Google Meeting and all about it. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.